before the Earth was built, they noticed that wobble. When I say the they, it was the they who caused the accident. And that was the Anunnaki who caused the accident. And they then had to have a tetrahedron pyramid stabilize the wobble until the pyramid construction could be built. And even now, those ships, without my chalkboard, there's the Earth, and then there are ships in 3 places around the Earth, directing energies to the Earth to maintain it in its current state in wobble. Because right now, after that accident, it isn't a natural Earth, but an artificial Earth, in that they had to take certain modifications to the Earth to keep it in its present place, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, asteroid belt, Jupiter, to keep it in its current place and stabilize the wobble.